Lovelies, you're welcome back. Today I want to introduce to you this university in Canada that is offering a free caregiver course. It is absolutely free. You don't have to make any payment for registration throughout the course, and even to obtain your certificate, you are not paying a dime. This is going to help you boost your profile and add more value to it. So if you are a caregiver, a support worker, a home care business owner, this course is for you. It does not cost you anything to undergo this program. It is completely online, and after the duration of the course, you're going to be issued a certificate for free. Everything is free. So the reason why I'm bringing this information for caregiver is for them to take advantage of the newly launched immigration program for caregivers to move with your family to Canada and become a permanent resident immediately you land in Canada. Canada just launched this new program. There was an existing one which ended on the 17th of June 2024. So they have announced a new one, and this new one is far better than the previous one, because with the new caregiver program, you can become a permanent resident as soon as you land in Canada. And it will be launched very soon, probably in September 2024. So be on the lookout. I did an extensive video on how you can take advantage of that opportunity. I shared in that video a top secret that can help you migrate via this program. So you might want to check out that video and just pick that secret and put it to work. I'm going to drop the link up here or in the description of the video. So without wasting much time, let's explore the website of this institution together. So the institution is McMaster University, and the course is Caregiving Essentials. Enhance your knowledge and confidence in your caregiver role. So let's look at the overview. Important note that this is just a disclaimer from the school that they are not partnering with anybody to bring them to Canada, but the essence of this program is just to add some value to your CV. Imagine you having like a certificate from McMaster University in Canada, to have undertaken, their caregiver course. Any employer might just be attracted to that, and that's why I want to encourage you to enroll for this program. Since it's absolutely free from registration to the completion of the program, even obtaining your certification is free, so it does not cost you anything. Just enroll for the program, let it add up to your profile, and this might assist you to land your caregiver job even faster. So get essential caregiving information and support your need. If you're a caregiver, the Caregiver Essential program was created for you. It offers valuable knowledge and skills meant to benefit caregivers in any way they choose. So this program offers valuable information and support, as well as ways to improve your overall health and well-being as a caregiver. In collaboration with the McMaster Institute of Research on Aging, Thrive Group, and McMaster Continuing Education, with the funding provided by the Ontario Ministry of Senior Affairs and further funding from the Regional Geriatric Program of Ontario. If you achieve a score of at least 80%, then you will earn a certificate of completion and receive a micro credential that highlights the specific skills you have learned. So free, self-paced, online, not for credit program. This is more or less like a scholarship, so it has been paid for by some group of people, including the Ontario Ministry of Seniors Affairs. So it is actually a scholarship. So all you need to do is just enroll to the school and undergo the course. All expenses has been paid for. So I don't know why you shouldn't take advantage of this golden opportunity. So these are the highlights of the program. It's going to be an online program, not for credit program. Take note. taught by an experienced caregiver, author, and activist. You will learn the role of a caregiver, taking care of your health and well-being, legal and financial considerations. And who should take this program? Anyone who acts as a formal or informal caregiver, anyone who is considering taking on the role of a caregiver for an older adult. What are the opportunities this certificate can accrue to you? With this certificate, you can apply to become a caregiver, a social worker, or a home care business owner. So what are the benefits of this program to caregivers? Improved health and well-being for you as a caregiver, improved confidence in your role as a caregiver, more positive attitude towards your caregiver role, easier navigation to our health care service for the support you need. So these are the testimonies of those that had participated in this program. This is Charity saying, this course has really helped me understand a lot more about the caregiver roles and having to take time for yourself as well. This is another person saying that the material was well organized. It learned itself well to doing things independently and online, which is what I was looking for. So you can go through it and see, so how do we apply to this program? Registration is going to open on the 15th of October 2024, and there would be a link to apply from this page. Just tick it on your calendar so that you would not forget. By 15th of October, you would need to come back to this page and there will be a link for you to apply. You just click submit your application and begin your caregiver course for free. This would obviously boost your profile. So I wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video.